take a look at the beautiful Paula Young braided waterfall wig. This wig retails for $129.99, but you can often get it at a 25% off discount by visiting the Paula Young website. This beautiful wig features a 100% hand-tied lace front that looks like a natural hairline. It also has a fixed monofilament center part that looks as though the hair is growing right out of your scalp. And from the center part, it leads to layers of loose cascading waves that fall off the shoulder and down your mid-back. The look is feminine, boho, and beautiful. 2 braids gracefully wrap around the head like a woven crown. Now the braids are able to come undone, so if you wanted to have extra density in the front, you just take the braids apart and let those locks fall. The braided waterfall wig has a very natural density. It's beautiful and moves like human hair. Best of all, this is made of the VersaFiber, which is a heat-friendly synthetic. So you can add curls or straighten this wig if you use heat tools up to 350 degrees. The braided waterfall comes with this sheer lace front, 100% hand-tied. It also has a 100% hand-tied lace part, which gives the appearance of hair growing from the scalp. If you wanted a more significant part, you could always carefully pluck some of the fibers from the parting space. You could always place skin, scar, flesh-colored surgical tape on the underside of the lace part to create the look of skin at the parting space. Well, let's take a closer look at the cap, and we'll do a 360 with measurements. Braided Waterfall's cap features an ear-to-ear sheer lace front that is 100% hand-tied, as is the center monofilament part, which is very generous. On either side, you have velour adjustable ear tabs. The sides and the back are open wefted for air circulation and scalp coolness. On either side of the velour extended nape are Velcro adjusters, which allow you to adjust the circumference of the wig cap up to ½ inch. Well, let's talk about this gorgeous balayage color, 82488S4, Caramel Kiss. This is a medium golden brown and a light ash brown with these warm gold blonde highlights here in the front, and it's shaded with a number 4. So you have this dark brown that transcends into this light ash brown. It's just gorgeous. Let's take a look at this gorgeous color outside in natural light. I really like the balayage trend. I love the fact that you can get a natural density, quality, heat-friendly wig for under $200. What I love most about this wig is the natural density. The hair also feels very silky and soft. There's no shine, so it gives the appearance of human hair. And I love the beach wave. The cap is very comfortable to wear. I like the lace front. I feel as though nobody would know that I was wearing a wig. Now, if you're interested in purchasing the braided waterfall wig, I'll leave a link in the video description box under the video where you can click and shop. And you should know that this style comes in many different colors. Well, if you wear braided waterfall, we would love to hear your experience with this wig. And if you have any questions about the style or the color, I'm more than happy to answer. Please leave those in the comment section below the video. Well, thank you so much for watching my wig review of the Paula Young braided waterfall. Take care of yourselves. Bye-bye.